So, what is 11 times 3?
33. 40. 36. 0. 14. 0. 8. 7. 88. 25. 40. 30. 56.
What did you say, Jonathan?
56.
56.
4. 50. 4.
All right, we're going to try something new. I'm going to call on somebody and they're going to say it. So we don't have, then I can get James. Who can help him? Grayson.
111.
No. Sam.
122.
No. That was close though. Luke.
121.
Correct. Grayson.
35.
Correct. Luke.
144.
Close. Who can help him? M.
136.
Correct. Olivia. 6 times 8. Who can help her? Boy.
46.
No. Sam.
48.
Correct. Tessa. 7 times 4.
28.
Correct. Gabe. Ooh, you got a really hard one. 0 times 5.
I
Oh.
can't answer that. I can't answer that.
10 times 11, Grant. Those are tougher. How about we do the 4 times 6? The 11 ones are tougher. 4 times 6 is
24.
good. Christian, 6 times 5.
24.
No. Try again. 6 times 5.
30.
Yes. Jack, 9 times 10.
100.
No. 9 times 10.
90.
Yes, very good. Sam, 7 times 7. Ooh, we need to practice more. 7 times 7. Can help? Who wants to help? Jonathan.
49.
Tyson.
0.
Jonathan, 8 times 9.
81.
No.
72.
Yes. Owen, 2 times 5. M, 7 times 5. Yes. Boy, 10 times 10.
Over 100.
Yes. Ella, 4 times 4. 16. Emma, 9 times 6.
54.
Good. Machine, 3 times 3. Oh boy, Annie. 8 times 0. Good. So now, 10 times 2.
20.
3 times 9.
27.
11 times 1.
11.
4 times 9.
48. No. 36.
36. 7 times 6.
40. No. Yeah. 43.
No.
42.
Who said 42? That is correct. 7 times 6. I mean 0. Yeah, not 0 times 9. 0. 8 times 12. Ooh.
108. 84. 81. 86. 96.
Correct. 2 times 9.
18.
6 times 11.
66.
0. Ooh, 0 times 0.
0. That's like the first one.
11 times 5. 10 times 12.
120.
120. 4 times 7. 12 times 8.
96.
What'd you say?
96.
96 is correct. 6 times 6.
36.
7 times 9.
63.
1 times 2.
2.
I need everyone. What is 1 times 2?
2.
Thank you. 11 times 0. 4 times 8.
32.
9 times 8.
80. No. 72.
72. 3 times 5.
50.
Good. 2 times 3.
6.
8 times 8.
64.
64. 6 times 3.
9. 18.
18. 12 times 5.
60.
12 times 0.
0.
5 times 8.
40.
3 times 8.
24.
9 times 12.
108.
Okay, I'm going to do popcorn. I'm just going to ask somebody and they're going to say it. 12 times 4, Grayson. Tessa.
48.
Good. 6 times 1, Emmy. 6. 11 times 7, Emma.
77.
5 times 4, Grayson.
20.
Correct. Good job. 8 times 3, James.
24.
Good. What is 1 times, ooh, this is hard. 1 times 10 is what, boy?
10.
Yes. 9 times 9, Jonathan.
81.
3 times 6, Jack. Christian.
18.
18. 7 times 3, Owen.
21.
Ooh, that's too easy.
What was it?
12 times 2, Luke.
24.
Not 5 times 9, Winsheen. 5 times 9. 45. 11 times 9, M. 5 times 6, Tessa. 5 times 6. Good. 8 times 2, Grant.
16.
Good. Ooh, 1 times 9, Christian.
9.
12 times 6, Owen. 1 Good. 6 times 4, Gabe.
24.
Good. 9 times 7, Ella.
48.
No, Winsheen. 63. 3 times 4, Grant. Good. 3 times 4, or I already did that. 9 times 7. Did I ever say that? Yeah, that's what I thought. 7 times 10, Olivia.
70.
Good. 1 times 3. Tyson.
3.
Good. All right, good enough. Guess what you all need to do?
What?
You haven't been practicing your multiplication. That is evident. I'm surprised. A lot of you got a lot of the simplistic questions on the test wrong about basic multiplication. So, please continue to practice this at home. That you should be practicing this, okay? Please do. Get the cards out, go through them, because we're going to delve more and more into division, and if you don't know your multiplication, you're going to struggle. Okay? So thumbs up if you're going to practice your multiplication. Yes! All right, good. All right, let's get out our books, our textbooks, and let's turn to,
Page.
so lesson 41, which I believe in your book is page 81, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I did tell you to get the whiteboards out. We might just do it on the board, but we'll see. Where are my glasses?
Wait, which page?
81. All right, so we're doing 2-digit dividing.
Here's the.
So, does anyone want to take a gander on this? 64 divided by 2. Owen, bring up your marker. So you do the same thing. You just keep bringing down. So where do you start? 2 divided by 6 is where you're going to start. What is 3? 6 divided by 2, yes. 3. So you still, what are you going to do? Remember, you subtract. How does that work? You bring down the
6.
So minus 6. And then you're going to move over to the 4. So that is 0. And you're going to bring down the 4. So what is 4 divided by 2?
2.
So where are you going to put the 2, correct? And what are you going to do with the 4?
Minus it.
You minus it. So you minus the 4. So you basically do the same thing, you just have to make an extra step, and that's 0. Correct. So it's the same thing. Divide, multiply, subtract. Compare, and then you do it again. Please do so in your workbook as well. Follow along with us. Questions? The more division you do, you're going to have more and more digits. So this is, you just do the same thing. All right, let's do another one. And then it says 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you do there? What are the signs that you need to put in there? Jonathan, what is 1?
Divide.
What is 2?
Multiply.
What is 3?
Subtract.
What is 4?
Compare.
And then you put an arrow for 5, meaning you do it again. You take down the next digit, which in our case that we just did was the 4. So you just do the whole process again.
Where?
Machine. Oh, sorry, here, let me get that down for you. Oh, and then I forgot, it says check. What would that be? So if you're gonna check the 64 divided by 2, what would the check be? Machine,
Multiply it?
you multiply what?
The, like,
Yeah.
the one below.
So here, let's put that back up. Mrs. Reed forgot a step. So it was 64 divided by 2, without going through the whole process again. That was the answer. So what would the check be? To check to see if your answer is correct. M.
32 times 2,
Yes. Equals what?
64.
Beautiful. So you have to check to make sure. So 32 times 2 equals 64. See how that works? You want to make sure that all the numbers in the original equation add up. And they do. All right, so let's do another one, Machine. Thank you for being so patient. All right. Oh, I need to put it down. I'm sorry. I'm so used to just writing up here for myself. Is that about the right height for you, sweetie? Okay. Ooh, squeak, squeak. How goes the marker? Onomatopoeia. Okay, so what do you do with the 3 and the 39? There you go. Subtract. There you go. Now what are you going to do with the 9? Good. Bring it down. Good. What would the check be? Oh yeah, you got to finish it. Sorry. Correct. Not, there we go. Now, if you were to check that, what numbers would you multiply to get your check? Very nice. Beautiful. 39. 13 times 3 is 39. And you see all the numbers are in the division equation. Get that? Good job, Wensheen. So what would be the order of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It's the order that you did that in, Wensheen. What would 1 be? What is the first thing you did? So you divide first, then what do? Multiply, then what do? There you go. And then you check, and then you do it again. You bring down the next digit. Yes?
And for the 1, 2, 3, 4, do you do divide, multiply, subtract, and compare?
Yes, compare, and then you put arrow for doing that again.
Yeah.
Number 5 is the arrow, meaning you're going to do the whole process again. You're going to bring down the 9 just like you did the 3.
Yeah, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next to it is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, yeah, that's for, yes, if you want to eliminate the arrow. All right, so let's do, we're going to just do all of these since this is new. But you're doing awesome. It's kind of fun, actually, once you start getting the hang of it. But do you see why knowing your multiplication is so important?
Yes.
Yeah, it is really crucial. So practice, practice, practice that multiplication. All right, who wants to do this? Boy. So what are you going to put next to the 8 though? So you did the division, the multiplication, now what are you going to do? Beautiful. Excellent. You forgot to add something to the top, though, sweetheart. What goes on the second 8? Up on, there you go. Perfect. Nice. So how would you check that? What would be the check? What is the multiplication fact that would go with that division problem? Remember, you're incorporating all the answers, all the numbers.
Hey, Joseph, come on.
So it's going to be a multiplication. You're going to use
Alright.
4, all the 22, 4, and 88. What times what equals 88? What times what equals 88? That was, there you go. Now, what times 22? Beautiful. That equals what? There you go. Good job. Yay. Nice job, boy. Awesome. All right. Fantastic. I am impressed. All right. So now on your own, you're going to show this fact 6 ways. On the next page. What is 6 times? Look. You cannot speak. 6 ways to write 6 times 4. What is one way you can write it? Let's just do it. Tell me one way you can do it. Beautiful. What's another way you can say it? Or write it, not say it. Jack.
4 sixes.
Absolute.
4. Yeah, 6 fours.
6 fours equals what?
24.
Beautiful. What's another way? Winsheen. Yep. Beautiful. What's another way? Grant.
4 plus 12.
No. You have to use 4, 6, and 24 in your equation. So Jack said 4 sixes. What's another way of writing it? Ella.
6 4.
Yes. Beautiful. 6 fours. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24. What's another way? Owen.
3 fours and 2 sixes.
No. Let's get into the multiplications. What is the multiplication fact that we can use for these numbers? We have 6 times 4 equals 24. Jack.
24 minus 4 equals 6?
Mm-mm.
Wait, no.
Multiplication. So 6 times 4 is 1. What is another way you can write that in multiplication? Remember, with multiplication, you can just flip things around. Jonathan.
6 times 4 equals 24?
Yes. So there you go.
Wait,
And then you also write 6 times 4 as one of your answers as well.
Oh. Wait, did we go over
Yep.
that already?
So then you have 6. Oh,
Jack. Jack.
all right, so you all can do 3. 12 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. So let's work on that. Thumb up when you are done. If you want to continue to work, you can continue to work. The next thing is placing commas correctly and circle the 10,000th place. The 10,000th. All right.
My somebody's screaming loud.
Please put your mask up, Sam. It's got to be up over your mouth. All right, who wants to come up and tackle 4? I got it written up on the whiteboard. Tessa. So you're going to place the comma in the correct place, and then you're going to circle the 10,000th place. The 100. Oh, that's 100. That's 1,000. And 100,000. What's the 10,000th place? Oh, you know what? I forgot a number. I forgot the 2.
You're forgetting the 2.
That might make more sense.
What?
Hold on. Just wait, friends. My goodness. Does it? 3,000. All right, friends. Can we relax? So you have that correct. Now circle. There you go. All right. The next number is, I'm just going to write it right here. I have my glasses on. In my hands. All right, who wants to tackle that? Jonathan. Where does the comma go? Good. Christian. Beautiful. Nice. I like how you took the time to do each position. Very good. Being very thorough. Emmy. Beautiful. Nicely done. You can solve these puzzles. Number 5, A and B. Solve the puzzle.
It's 7 times 4 plus 3 plus 8. That's hard. 28.
Yes, that is correct. Follow. You have to follow the signs. Let's go. If you need to write each section down, do so. Good job. Do the multiplication at the bottom.
What? That's what the lions sound like at the zoo.
Yes. I'm always surprised how a lion actually sounds when it roars. It's not exactly. Well, it's different. What is 5a? What is 7 times 4 plus 3 plus 8? Owen. Good. What is b? 11 times 3 minus 1 plus 0 equals Ella. Beautiful. So I'm going to put up some equations involving the same. Follow the signs. Winsheen. Yes. It looks scarier than it is. You just take each step. What is 2 times 3? You don't have to if you can do it in your head, but you can show everybody what you're doing if you write it down.
Is that on our sheet or no?
Very nice. Beautiful. Very, very nice. So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, minus 6 is 4, times 3 is 12. Tessa. So it's 15 minus 8. I'm going to write that down. Times 3. Good. There you go. Good. Times. There you go. Beautiful. Lovely. I don't know if you can see her from the back. Can you see that from the back? She wrote your little writing. 7 times 3 equals 21. So 15 minus 8 is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Times 3 is what, Tessa?
21,
Plus 4 equals,
25,
minus 20 equals,
5,
times 4 equals,
20.
beautiful. It looks intimidating, but when you take a steps at a time, it's really not so bad. It's kind of like a puzzle. You all seem to like puzzles, or a lot of you. That are all blue in the sky?
Oh, like the 2000 blue puzzle that we got?
Yes. All blue. Jonathan. Oh, let's see. This thing's in my way. Sorry. We got some division. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I want this. Wait, which page are you
Oh, let's write, I mean, you are, can you write down the steps?
Oh.
What is 16 divided by 2?
8,
Mm-hmm. Plus 2.
10,
Mm-hmm. Divided by 1.
10,
Mm-hmm. Minus 7. Times 4. Very nice. I'm sure you cannot read his little minus, the little teeny tiny letters.
I can barely even read.
Well, so Jonathan, stick with me. What is 16 divided by 2? Quite. Yes. Plus 2.
10,
Divided by 1.
10,
Minus 7.
3,
3 times 4 equals?
12.
Very good. Bravo. Now, if you want, while we're doing this on this board, you can be writing them on your own on your whiteboard. Because these are not in your book. These are called brain boosters. These are bonus fun.
Do you have them in your book?
So, Ella. Ooh, divided by what? There you go. Beautiful. That was a tricky one. Even though with the zeros you think it's going to be easy, you have to really think. Nicely done. Do you want to say what you would, why don't you come back up here and explain what you did? What is 9 divided by 3?
3,
What is 3 minus 3
0,
times 10
0,
plus 7
7,
plus 9
16,
divided by 2?
8.
Very nice. Good job. Bravo. Answer is 8. One more, and then we are done. Good job, friends. M. Beautiful. You want to explain what you did? What is 6 plus 7
13,
plus 1
13,
divided by 2
7,
minus 4?
3,
3 times 9
27,
plus 3.
30,
Very nice. Beautifully done. Good job, friends. All right. Does anyone have any more they need to do on their workbook? Okay, what, just have to do some multiplication?
I'm actually doing the division right
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yes. Okay. Good job. All right, so thumbs up if you finished everything. Good job. All right, so that concludes our math. We're going to move on to science.